How to get 80% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're going to find the search box, type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're on the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Temu. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 90% off, 80% off, $20 off and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Temu. You'll be directed to the official website of Temu. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also give try to all the offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers for Temu. The process to use any of the offer is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. Just open the website. In this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers for Temu. So this is how you can easily get up to 80% off Temu coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.